You're such an asshole.
Hello, children. All right. We got a short but sweet one. So let me explain. I'm not going to yell at you because you're young. You don't know any better. I get it. So right off the bat, you send me a link. CLKTRAC.com/Ross. I ain't clicking on that link. I don't open attachments. I ain't clicking on no link like that. And he says the above link makes an interesting argument that by following insider traders, it's possible to get an advantage. Only problem is it costs nearly $2,000 to get the monthly newsletter. Oh. Can you look at it and give me your opinion via email? Oh, what did you want? Oh, you paid for a video. Okay, everyone keeps paying for a video. That's fine. You can pay for a video. That's all right. Can you look at it and give me your opinion via email? Bobbity 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 boo. All right. I don't have to look at it. And let me explain to you why. All right. Anytime anytime you see someone offering some kind of trading course that is, I'm all for trading courses like how to do it. Like, here's a 101 on currency trading. Well, you got pairs and usually do leverage. That's fine. I did a course, how to invest online. This was like right when online brokerages were coming out. So you set up an account. All right. That's fine. How to open up a 401k account, IRA account. That's fine because it's teaching you how to do something. When someone says, here's a trading strategy that you can make money on, it is 100% bullshit because of what's called the efficient market. It's not even theory, law, I'd say. Because if they knew how to make money on the market, why would they tell you? And not to bore you with financial theory, but the efficient market hypothesis is that as more and more information is put out into the public acts on that information, which eliminates or lessens the amount of profit opportunity that exists in different trades. All right. So if there's someone like, dude, yo, man, I know how to trade options, bro. Yeah, get my patented secret thing, man. If he actually had some kind of patented options trading bro scheme, the worst thing that person could do is make it public, either by charging for a course or not. Because in making it public, now he's like, hey, I found out where it is literally the same thing as like you find some gold in the dirt, like you're mining, you find some gold. The worst thing you can do is say, hey, everybody, the gold is here. Because every person that now moves in and does that same trade, whether it's options, whether it's stocks, whether it's bonds, whether it's currency, doesn't matter, eats away at your profitability because you're in there bidding one price and they come in, they bid a slightly better price. Now they get all the profit. And then somebody else comes in at slightly better price than that. And inevitably, you get enough people trading in that one particular trade, whatever it is, you eliminate all the profits. Now we're down to fractions of pennies. You got to trade thousands of shares of whatever it is to make a buck. So if this was a informational course on like, hey, it could be a valid investment strategy. Like, hey, we follow insiders. And we found out that the insiders tend to do better. Now, you're not going to do as good as the insiders because they are the ones getting that in. They're making the first trade. But there's still, like, if you bought a month after the insiders bought, you'd still make more than the S&P 500. And if this is like, oh, here's some insiders you should follow or how to follow insiders based on Securities and Exchange Commission filings. Fine. Is that worth $2,000? Maybe, maybe not. It's up to you. All right. But generally speaking, when you see these trading courses, it's not that they're scams. I'm sure they're teaching you like actual trading strategies, but they didn't make no $8 million they might have at one time. And I was like, hey, they're making more money selling the courses to you than they do the actual trading. It's kind of like real estate is the same thing. Like, learn how to flip houses. Why the hell are you doing it? Because they're making more money selling the courses, and they don't make that much money flipping houses. So I don't want to look at it. I don't have to look at it. Right? I mean, if to you, it'd be no different like invest in the S&P 500 index investing. I mean, that's a concept, right? That I'm not going to charge you $2,000 for that strategy because it's a well-known strategy. I mean, are you interested? Is it worth $2,000 for you? All right, maybe go ahead and take it. All right, but generally speaking, when you see this type of stuff, no, it ain't worth it. So you could go ahead. Maybe they got some really great trading technique I'm unaware of. Maybe they're a little bit closer to the insider traders. Maybe they actually got something. I don't know. But you'll find out once you start employing this strategy. But I don't know anyone who's taken a stock options trading course that made money trading stock. About the day traders, what is it, like 1% make money or beat the index, I think? It might even be worse than that, like 99% lose money. It might be horrible. It's statistically unlikely to be the 1%. Then you ask me, what should you invest $50,000? I can't tell you what to invest in $50,000 because I'm not a certified financial planner. I can't, that's not how it works, bro. You got to pay an investment advisor. Now, if you would like to learn about investing, there are plenty of books out there. Robert Kiyosaki, Suze Orman, Benjamin Graham, Dave Ramsey. I think Dennis Prager is coming out with some financial planning videos as well. Welcome to the party, Dennis. I have some books and resources linked below. One called Achieving Financial Excellence and another one called Bachelor Pad Economics. Achieving Financial Excellence is a course. Bachelor Pad Economics is a 500-page book. And I tell you how the investing world works. I don't tell you what to invest in. I say, here are your investment options. Here's what has worked for people traditionally in the past. There are no guarantees. Maybe you'd like to consume that book. Maybe you'd like to take that course. It's up to you. Or go to the library. You might even be able to find something like Following Insider Traders. You get that at the library for free and read up on that strategy. But I can't tell you what to invest in. That you get to research that. So there you go. So any super chats? We got 2 super chats. Let's go to that. Holy shit, Mike, man. You didn't have to. Like $100, that's awfully kind. I'm very humbled actually by that. Bostonian Boomer Bucks. Gore, got some of your books on audio, working through them. Thanks, sir. Well, thank you, Mike. Thank you very much. You didn't have to have $10 is just fine. I mean, you don't have kids. Hopefully you could afford it. Hopefully there's nothing better you could spend money on. But if you all don't have anything better to spend your money on, I'm all more than willing. Yes. God, family, children, and Aaron. Naturally, that would be number 4th place. You don't need fun thing. You don't need a car. Give me the money. Sure. Thank you very much, Mike. I appreciate it. John and Audit, $2. Got some girls, but most Gen Z girls, waste of time. Right. Well, and going back in the day, I'm sure we were blinded by boobies and long hair when we were in our 20s as well. I'm sure most of the girls we went on dates with were also probably a waste of time, but especially the younger ones nowadays, I don't know. I mean, are they? It's forget the standard. Oh, student loan debt, all Democrat. What I want to know, are any of them different? Do any of them actually differentiate themselves from all the other ones? Are they all wearing those short jeans up to their belly button, and have are they just robots? Is there a unique gal, a little bit independent hippie chick? Ironically, the hippie chick today would be the conservative one who has her degree in engineering. Mike, for $1, thank you very much for $1 again. Was that a cow? We got a picture of there. Thank you very much. And Thomas Rao, $2. Don't ever expect 100 from me. I don't expect 100 from anyone. That's why I'm surprised. I would expect 25, let alone 100. But it's like, hey, check this out. I think the money will go. Actually, that money we got to buy Atham a graduation gift, but that'll more than cover it. That'll cover gas and graduation gift and some food. I wish I had some spending problems, but I don't. So, all right. Well, there you guys go. We'll see you guys later. Toodles.